In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate in Jira. If you're tired of manually moving issues, adding the same updates again and again, or constantly checking whether tickets have been completed, Jira's built-in automation tools can save you a huge amount of time. The best part is that you do not need to write code to make it work. In this walkthrough, we're going to create a simple automation rule directly inside Jira using the built-in no-code automation builder. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the Projects menu and open the specific project where you want the automation to run. Make sure you choose the correct project before continuing because automation rules are often tied to the project you're currently working in. After the project loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Project Settings. Inside that settings area, find and select Automation. This opens the project's automation workspace, which is where you can build, review, and manage all of your automated rules. Next, go to the top right corner of the automation page and click Create Rule. Jira will open the Visual Rule Builder, which gives you a clean layout for setting up the logic step by step. This is where you'll define what event starts the rule, what conditions must be true, and what action Jira should take. Now we'll configure the trigger. Click the block labeled When Choose a Trigger. From the list of available trigger options, select Issue Transitioned. Then set the transition so the rule runs when an issue moves from in progress to done. Once those values are in place, click Save. This tells Jira exactly when the automation should wake up and begin checking the rule. With the trigger set, we'll add a condition to narrow things down. Click Add Component, choose Condition, and then select Issue Fields Condition. For the field, choose Issue Type. Set the operator to equals and then select Bug or Defect depending on the naming used in your project. Click Save to apply that filter. This is important because it prevents the rule from running on every issue type and keeps the automation focused. Now it's time to define the action. Click Add Component again, select Action, and then choose Comment on Issue. In the comment box, enter a short update such as Critical Defect Resolved, Verification Started, then click Save, give your rule a clear name, and select Turn on Rule. Once the rule is enabled, Jira will automatically add that comment whenever a bug or defect moves from in progress to done. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.